If you're experiencing login errors on WhatsApp, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. A stable connection is essential for logging into WhatsApp. Step 2. Update WhatsApp. Visit your device's app store and check for any available updates for WhatsApp. An outdated version may cause login issues, so make sure you have the latest version installed. Step 3. Verify your phone number. Double check that you are entering the correct phone number associated with your WhatsApp account. Ensure that you include the correct country code and that there are no typos. Step 4. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your device, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to see if this fixes the login error. Step 5. Reinstall WhatsApp. If the previous steps do not work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling WhatsApp. This can help clear any corrupted data that may be causing the login issue. After reinstalling, try logging in again. If you follow these steps and still encounter problems, consider reaching out to WhatsApp support for further assistance.